Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be making this design today. I'm gonna be using French nail guide stickers from CanDo, a 100 yen store. This is going to be my first time to make French mani with magnetic gel. Apply base coat to your natural nails. Let's get started. I'm gonna paint milky white gel nail from Seria, another 100 yen store, on the thumbnail. I saw some people paint black gel nail and then magnetic gel on social media, and it looked really nice, so I tried that, but I didn't like what I got, so I decided to use white gel. This is magnetic gel from CanDo. It's a new shade and really popular. It's 330 yen. This is Seria's non-wipe matte coat. I clean it with ethanol after carrying matte coat, and I also rub it a little with cosmetic sponge. This helps excess chrome powder to come off easily. I got this stamping plate from Temu. I'm gonna use black icing gel from Seria to stamp. I'd say its texture is pretty similar to Born Pretty's Magician stamping top coat. I'm not using a credit card, so it's safe to show it on my video. It doesn't look black at all on the stamper. Now I'm gonna cure it with the stamper. This is my favorite chrome powder. It's from Born Pretty. Oh, I didn't stamp well on the side. I'm cleaning it with washi tape. Seria's non-wipe top coat. I'm gonna finish this side. I used black gel under magnetic gel on the left nail tip. I'm gonna be doing the pinky, middle finger, and index finger. Now they are ready. I'm gonna use this. I think it's CanDo's new item. Each guide sticker looks thin. The right arm is longer than the other. Probably it doesn't matter much because it has its center marked. Yeah, the right is definitely longer. Even with a center mark, it's pretty difficult to put it on the center. But it's stretchier than I thought, so I was able to adjust it. Now I'm gonna paint magnetic gel on it. I don't think it's a good idea to paint it a lot. If you paint it a lot, it might flood when you peel the French manicure off. I wasn't sure if I could take off the sticker well, so I wiped off the gel on the sticker. I was hoping that I could get away with a second coat, but it looks pretty translucent with one coat. Seems like I have to paint the magnetic gel again. I'm gonna paint base and top gel because I want to fill the gap on the smile line with this less runny clear gel. Again, I'm hoping to get away with second coat. Probably I don't need to paint top gel on it. Yep, this will do. No more top coat. When you wipe off uncured gel on your natural nail, you need to avoid contact with gel on your skin. So wipe it straight towards the tip of the nail. Don't wiggle. And do it twice. You should use a new wipe for the second time. I love French mani with magnetic gel. I'm putting the French guide on the middle finger now. I want to paint more magnetic gel on this finger. I'm gonna be putting some big accessories on this finger. Thanks to this extra work, I was able to peel the sticker well. I'm gonna paint the magnetic gel for the second time. For the gel from CanDo, this one needs curing for 3 minutes. I'm not gonna glue any nail foils, but I'm gonna use a foil gel to hold big accessories. This stone picker is pretty handy actually. I'm gonna finish it with non-wipe top coat. The middle finger art is done. Now I'm gonna do the ring finger. I'm doing the same art as a thumbnail. I'm painting milky white, magnetic gel, and use a magnet to design it. I'm applying non-wipe matte coat, wiping with ethanol, and rubbing it with a cosmetic sponge. I'm stamping with black icing gel. I'm rubbing chrome powder and top coating it to finish the set. Okay, all done. I'm gonna put them on my nails. You see nail art on my nails, but you can still see what it's like on fingers, right? So my thoughts on CanDo's French money guide stickers. They are okay, but I prefer something I use regularly. It's a sticky tape to make your eyelid double. It's a pretty common item in Japan and Korea. It's stretchier than French money guide stickers. I really like this art on the thumb. Beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.